So welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh my god, it's been like forever. Like I used to be so consistent, you know, a year and a half ago, maybe 2, and like I just fell off. So now I'm finally back, guys. So I just want to provide you honestly a lot of content when it comes to natural hair, because I'm a true believer of natural hair, and not a lot of you know this, but like my goal is that like in the next like year, probably by the end of 2019, I'm going like straight natural hair, like natural. And what I mean by that is like no more wigs kind of thing. You know, I might wear it like probably once a year, but like, you know, at the most I just want it to be like all me, all natural, my puff, my buns, my straight hair, my curly hair, my everything. So yeah, so don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna be posting every Tuesday, Friday, and Sunday, so make sure that you're up to date and that you're subscribed so that you can follow me whenever I drop my bangers, okay? So I've received this question a lot on Instagram, so if you don't follow me on Instagram as well, it's at Kathy Dorleans, so follow me. I'm here to share my secret. I'm gonna go straight to the point because I know that's what you came here for. So the first thing I started doing that like I saw instant result, and then like you're probably gonna be like, okay, but like honestly, my first one would be drinking 5 liters of water. Like honestly, as soon as I started drinking like 5 liters of water, my hair grew so much. Like not even grew as in like long, but like the thickness of it was like humongous. Like honestly, I remember after a month like drinking 5 liters of water every single day. When I tell you every single day, I'm talking about like Monday to Sunday, bro. That would be my first point, drinking at least 3 liters, but like come on girl, you can do 5. So I would say, I would challenge you, drink 5 liters of water every day. The second thing that I started doing, like I think I started switching that up in April of 2018, is applying like low heat, because I used to honestly use, I'm not gonna say a lot, but I used to use heat like quite often. And then like as soon as I started doing, right now I'm still using heat, like as in like I blow dry my hair probably, and I straighten my hair like 3 times a year, so I use my blow dryer like 3 times a year because I have to straighten it. So when I do that, that's the only time I'll use heat. I'm not an advocate of like no heat. Like honestly, if you want to use the heat, you can, as long as you do a mask treatment like the same week to just make sure you don't get any damages or any heat damage or anything like that. Like do it up. But like, the third thing I would say, and honestly I should have put that as my number 1, because when I tell you, as soon as I started doing that, and the thing is I used to do it back then, but then I stopped. Well, I stopped caring about my hair. But as soon as I started redoing it in 2018, like when I tell you my hair grew so much, and it was the protein treatment. Like when I tell you protein treatment, it boosts your hair growth and your thickness like there's no tomorrow. I do protein treatments honestly every week. I don't miss a week. Like girl, I do not miss a week. The same way you wouldn't miss work, the same way you wouldn't miss church, don't miss your hair, your hair mask treatment. Honestly, like protein treatments are lit. So I'm gonna be doing a lot of protein treatments DIYs here on my channel, so make sure you subscribe so you can like know when I'm posting them. The fourth thing I would say that helped, honestly, the scalp massage. Like, so if you don't want to buy an actual scalp massage, like just use your hand. Honestly, I've done that for years. Just this year, you know, I was, you know, feeling a little bougie, so I went and buy my scalp massage. The fifth thing I would say that I did that like helped me so much is adding vitamin E to every single hair mask, hot oil, treatment, like anything that I do, I put vitamin E in it. And then honestly, just doing that, switching that routine and putting that into everything that I do is blessed.com. Like honestly, I love it, so you should do it. The other thing that I do is I bought a miracle drop. I'm gonna post it probably like, you know, here, and I'm gonna have a link in my bio. So just buy the miracle drop. Honestly, like if you just put it in your scalp like here and there, I would probably say like do it, I did it like twice a week kind of thing. This miracle drop is honestly blessed for hair growth. Like I love it, so you should do it too. This one, okay, all right, so this one is, I don't think a lot of people know about this, but if you do, comment down below because I want to know. So basically what I started doing is that I took sesame seed oil, I took castor oil and curry leaves. So you can find the curry leaves honestly at Walmart, because that's where I get mine. So you take those 3 items, you put it in your pan, and you boil it for like, let's say 5 to 10 minutes, as long as it gets hot. Like, you know, it needs to be hot. You just do a bowl and save for the whole week, and do it before going to bed. Just put it in your hair. So basically just put it in like your scalp. If you have like a wig or braids, whatever, just put it, or just take a spray bottle and just spray it in your scalp. You know what I mean? So that, when I started doing that, bruh, actually when I started doing all these things, like starting like April, that's when I switched up my routine, because you know it was getting a little stagnant, and I decided that I wanted to boost my hair or whatever. So when I started doing all these things, like, yo, I saw results like instantly. Like when I do my hair journey, I'm gonna post those pictures, but like I think 2010 has been the year where my hair grew a lot. And the only reason I'm saying that is because the years before I did it, but I wasn't consistent. Like this year, like starting I would say April, every single weekend I was doing some type of treatment, and then like that helped. So honestly, I think the biggest key out of all of this, that if you're not gonna be consistent, please, yo, stop crying. Like I hate, like I dislike when people are like, you know, my hair can't grow. Honestly, the reason why it's not growing, the reason why you're complaining is because you're not consistent. Yeah, start being consistent. Like 2019, you're gonna be consistent in the name of Jesus, okay? Alright. So yeah, anyways, these are all the things that I personally done, and that my hair, yo, your girl's hair has just like started flourishing. And then honestly, I give glory to God. So that is it for me today. I'm gonna be dropping some bang. Please subscribe, make sure you share this with your friend, and let's do it up. Let's grow our hair together. Like 2019, we're growing our hair together. Okay, peace.